Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Bias.
What does the dictionary say?
In statistics, it is a systematic distortion of a statistical result due to a factor not allowed for in its derivation.
Math rap.
A bias is an error that makes things wrong. A built-in error, get it, follow along. You think you're tall, and your height is measured right, but it's not at all true if your shoes are on tight.
Math rap.
Explain bias in your own words. If I had trouble reading the words on this page, a person could be convinced that it's because I haven't learned to read yet. In this case, the bias is that I need my glasses to help me see and read. Share a similar example of a real-life situation where bias can play a role. Do we sometimes forget to look for biases in certain situations? Why? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!